Hello and welcome to Timmy's Den again for an unboxing of a 2020 Matchbox. Today we have this 1935 Ford pickup from the MBX Highway series. Kingson Pop. Been saving this for about a year. (2019) copyright. Alright, let's get it out of the package. I'm assuming all that blue is metal. We'll find out in a minute. Look at all that right there. That is on purpose to make it not look brand new. A little bit of roughing. No rust though. Plastic right there. Plastic right there. Made in Thailand. All wheels roll well, and the blue is all metal. Alright, let's see what's up. Is it rolling the track nice? It's a snug fit. There's very little room for wiggle. Nice. That snugness is good. Doesn't make it fast on the track though, but it does make it stay in when we went frontwards. There we go. It helps it to stay in the track. And its drifting ability. Well, that was a perfect one right there. Nice backing one. Oh! Well, I like it. I like it a lot. I will keep it. It's pretty unique. I don't have any like this. This is the first time I've gotten this casting. Let me know how you feel about this casting. Do you like it? It was cool to play with, that's for sure. Comment down below if you like it or dislike it. And I'm not sure if there's any others like it. Didn't say nothing on the package about being a first time casting. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out, and still working on those watch hours, so please watch the whole video. And as always, please subscribe.